Everyone talks about the freedom after quitting their job, but no one really talks about the reality after. Hi, I'm Mary from La Union, Philippines. I'm building my dream life through content creation. To be honest, I didn't grow up with privilege. If I wanted something, I had to work for it. Kaya siguro hanggang ngayon daladala ko pa rin yung mindset na kailangan kong magsikap araw-araw. When I left my corporate job, I knew it wouldn't be easy. Right now, I work from home. I'm a freelancer. I create content. I do affiliate marketing. I accept UGC projects whenever I can. Pero ang totoo, hindi pa sapat ang income ko para mabuo agad ang mga pangarap ko. May mga buwan na okay, may mga months na kailangan talagang magtipid, and that's the reality that people don't always see online. But every project, every video I create, every opportunity brings me one step closer to the life I'm trying to build. And hindi rin ako nagmamadali. I trust the process because I know where I came from. And I still believe that one day we'll get there. So samahan niyo ako sa journey na to.